Okay, in this video I will be going over machine problem 5. So for machine problem 5 we had 3 problems we had to do. There's count single digits, Scrabble, score stats, and then the two-dimensional array. I'm going to be going over the Scrabble score stats first. So right here I just have all my imports for the hash map, the list, and then we imported this stream. And we have the above average where it is, and then the below average, and then the average value for the word. So calculating what the average for the word is, and then so now I guess we can go ahead and run it. As we can see, we have our top 3 words, and then calculation for what the average value for words is, the below average and above average. And that's I guess where we get the calculations for 18, 16, 12 is go from this for what the value is for each letter. Right, now the next one is count single digits. This one is pretty basic. All we're doing is we're going to print out a random integer out of the numbers 1 through 100, but we're going to do it as a count. And it will print a random generation of ones every time. So and the last one is the dimensional array. So it's pretty basic.